Let's learn the names of color. Red, R-E-D, red. Blue, B-L-U-E, blue. White, W-H-I-T-E, white. Green, G-R-E-E-N, green. Black, B-L-A-C-K, black. Yellow, Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. Orange, O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Pink, P-I-N-K, pink. Purple, P-U-R-P-L-E, purple. Brown, B-R-O-W-N, brown. Golden, G-O-L-D-E-N, golden. Navy blue, N-A-V-Y-B-L-U-E, navy blue. Grey, G-R-E-Y, grey. Silver, S-I-L-V-E-R, silver. Apricot, A-P-R-I-C-O-T, apricot. Sky blue, S-K-Y-B-L-U-E, sky blue. Maroon, M-A-R-O-O-N, maroon. Lavender, L-A-V-E-N-D-E-R, lavender. Parrot, P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. Skin, S-K-I-N, skin.